Hello techies. Alright, today we're working on lab 9.2.6 and we're going to analyze a DDoS attack. So you are the security analyst for a small corporate network. You have heard from many customers that they are unable to browse to your public face web server. Your suspect might be under some sort of denial of service attack, possibly a TCP/SYN flood attack. Your www.stage computer is on the same network segment as your web server, so you will use the computer to investigate the problem. So in this lab, your task is to use Wireshark to capture packets and filter for packets with the SYN flag sent. Filter the SYN packets with TCP/IP flags, SYN, TCP/IP. So and we're going to use filter only packets that contain the ACK flag and answer the questions, and filter the ACK packet with this information. We're going to answer the questions also. Remember that this is 9.2.6 lab and we're going to start lab. Alright, so you might find this video a bit too fast for you. Remember, you can always pause and work at your own pace. So we just wait for the lab to load up, which has been loaded. Alright, so let's start with open Wireshark and then let's see our first tags. Maximize this so you see what I'm doing. MP2, filter the SYN packets with the CP/IP flag equals 1. Okay, so TCP.flags.SYN equals 1 and TCP flags dot equals 0. All right, so we stop and so 135.167.58.63. Okay. So let's say equals 1. Okay. So use a filter to display only the packet that contains the ACK and filter for so let's check our answers. Which sign indicates disputed denial of service DDoS attack? I guess that is the answer. We'll check our answers. Remember that if this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll definitely see you in the next one.